Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share another journal with you. My last two videos I done a couple of craft with me's and the things that I made are inside this journal. So this journal is Dragonfly Dreams. It's a digital kit from ARTYmaze and I have used other things throughout the kit as well, and I'll mention that as I go through. So the journal measures 8 by 4.5. It has one signature, has I think it's 40 pages front and back, but it will be listed in my shop, so you will see the full description on the listing. So the front here is a very simple topper. There's some stitching on the cover. I've used one of the journal cards from the Dragonfly Dreams Kit. I've used some of the words and labels from the number label kit, and I can't remember the name of that kit. I think it's the Builder Cluster, the first one, and you get a lot of words on it, so I used some of them. The paper here is from the Dragonfly collage sheets and specimen cards you get and we have eyelets and string as a closure. So let's go inside. Turned out quite chunky. So as normal, this is a full-size journal kit and I've just adapted it to make it like a traveller's notebook size. This is one of the pages from the kit. Then here I done a video on how I made these little clusters and the pockets for the journal. This is from Builder Cluster Tag Kit, and that goes in there. So there's a little hint of butterflies throughout as well. This is just a little flip up journal card. That is from the Dragonfly Dreams Kit, and what I'll do is the last two videos I will put them on the screen at the end of the video if you want to go over and watch them. They're both craft with me's. Here this was an envelope. I'm going to do a little craft with me on this as well. It's ever so easy. It's not something that hasn't been done before. So I used the envelope to make like a double pocket. So inside there we've got a index card with a journal card from the kit on there, and I just inked that up. Then here we've got this pocket. This is stitched down, and then we've got these with some, what do you call them things, brads, and I've decorated the inside of the envelope. Then here we have an envelope and a journal card that is from the kit, and this is some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. Whoops, and that goes in there, and then that just flips down, that goes up and over like that. We've got some labels on here from the number label kit. This was a little bit left over from the Builder Cluster Tag Kit, and this is from one of the oddment kits from ARTYmaze. Again, I think that is from the Builder Cluster, the first one. This again was one of the videos that I done the other day, just making window tag pockets. So like I said, I will link the other video and this video at the end of the screen. At the end of the video on the screen, I should say. Then we have a tag inside there. It's opened at the back as well, so that goes in there like so. Then here we have some journal space. We have a label there, that's from ARTYmaze. Then here we have a tag from the Builder Cluster Tag Kit. I love that kit. Then this is just a little journal card, which is also a little notebook. It's ever so easy to do. This was an idea from Clemmy, who is Clemmy's Creations. Didn't mean to say that. Oh. A tag here from the kit. This is an envelope, the flap of an envelope, because it's an envelope flip. Some ephemera there. So that flips out. We've got a dragonfly postcard inside there. Then here I've just popped this in. I made them the other week and I just thought I'd pop that inside there. Hope you can see that. Yep. And then in here we've got a pocket. On there we've got a pocket and a tag inside. And here it's an envelope. Then I just these are full-size pages, and I just printed 2 to a page and made a couple of little booklets which I've got in the journal. That is an envelope from the kit, and inside there we've got the postcard, and that goes on there, and that just pops in there like so. And I just put that isn't actually on the kit, but that is on the envelope. That is actually from the number label kit. And here is another pocket. Again, the pocket I done on a video, and that will be linked on the screen at the end. So we've got a tag, a ticket from ARTYmaze, and the tag. And that all goes in the pocket. Some journal pages, and another pocket that I made, and another ticket and a tag, and that goes in there. We have another little booklet and another envelope, again with a little specimen number label thing there, and this is from the kit, and that just goes inside there. And again, that was just one of the pages that I didn't shrink down, I just printed 2 to a page. Right, this envelope flip, I used one of the Dragonfly specimen cards, and I cut the middle bit out, which is that piece, popped that on a tag obviously, and then stitched all around and then glued that down, and we've got the plastic window there, and that just goes inside there like so. And then you get that on the page with these specimen cards, so I just pop that on there, and then that flips out, so there's loads of little fluffy bits hanging around there. Another little tag, and then here's another one of these flip out journal notelet things, and that just goes in there like so. Then here, that's the envelope, so that's the tuck, postcard, tag from the kit. Here, these are from my Elements kit, I just put them in there. Got a little flip, got a little label there, little label here. This is from my Elements kit, and that's, again, done a video on that. And the little tag, it's opened behind, and then that can just pop inside there. It just never wants to do it when you're on camera, I think. Yeah, there we go. It always makes you look stupid. We've got a pocket, done a video on that, and a ticket, a postcard, and this is just a little, well, if it wants to open, just a little journal card there, and that all goes in there. And then here we've just got a little flip page. Inside there we've got another tag from the Builder Cluster tag kit, and that is from the Old Design Shop. And that goes on there, and that is the back. So there we go, Dragonfly Dreams. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop. You'll find all the links below in the description box. And like I said, at the end of the screen here you will see the 2 Craft With Me videos, so you can click on them, and if you haven't already watched them, you can go and watch them. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.